The University of Arkansas Community College at Morrilton's Collision Repair and Refinishing Technology program includes courses in auto body shop management, automotive electrical systems, color theory, structural analysis and repair, and more. You will learn necessary skills such as body and frame construction, metal repair, refinishing processes, and computerized estimates. Training also covers emerging repair techniques, including plastic welding and aluminum repair. Throughout the program, you will have the ability to earn several industry-recognized certifications that can give you a competitive edge in today's job market.
If you are entering grades 10 through 12, you can concurrently enroll in this program through the UACCM Career Center and get a head start on your degree. The Office of Skills Development pays your tuition, fees, and supplies as a concurrent student. UACCM's affordable tuition, combined with financial aid and scholarships, allows you to enter the workplace with little to no debt. We provide a nurturing setting that makes every step of your journey meaningful as you navigate the path towards your goals. Schedule your campus visit today.